On landings, I used to struggle a lot with finding the right timing for the round out until I knew about the expanding runway effect tips from Partner Shadow. Then I tried it out on my next flight, and since then, all of my landings are rounded out perfectly at the right timing or really close to the perfect timing. The following landing was made recently, and since this was after sunset, the runway lights are all lit up, so you can see the expanding runway effect very clearly. The requirements for this technique to work is that you must have the skill to set up a stabilized approach, and your speed must be at your stall speed VSO plus 30% for the whole time. For example, in the Cessna 172, the stall speed is 45 knots, so the final approach speed should be 65 knots the whole way down. Again, you must keep this approach speed throughout the whole final phase until touchdown. Now you are very close to the runway. Look at the end of the runway and use the side of your eyes to keep track of the edges of the runway. You will wait until the moment the edges of the runway become expanding very quickly. Now round out. Keep the nose parallel to the runway, and then flare, touchdown. There you have it. I wish I knew this technique much earlier in my training so I could save a lot of time and money in my training. Well, I don't think it's too late.